Hey, this is Scott Rulon. I've been an accountant for 33 years and I enjoy looking at companies online to see if they're legit or not. But before we get to my Axas Group Limited review about the Axas company, I'd like to tell you a couple things. So please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the bell icon to subscribe so you can get future versions of other companies that I review. Hey, please also look down in the description field and feel free to join my Facebook group to have fun with finances. Also, take a look at my website, myfinancialfair.com. And please also take a look at my blog, which is also myfinancialfair.com, or you can see my website, which has a little bit about me, called scottrulon.com. Thank you so much, and let's take a look at the video. Axas Group Limited Review. Well, welcome to my Axas Group Limited Review. I'm betting you heard some buzz about this Axas Group Limited company because it jetted on the scene but 7 days ago, and I chose to investigate. Did someone approach you about the residual returns opportunity and now you jetted here to make sure it's on the up and up? Now I'm going to guide you through the company, products, and comp plan. You want to make a great decision, right? So listen to this to the end and pay close attention. Axas Limited claims to have a team of pros with experience in private investing, investment options, crypto trading, non-fungible tokens, mining, and dividends. The team lineup is as follows: CEO and founder Nicholas Franklin, head of legal Katrina Kruger, and Albert Baringer, the CEO of markets. Axas was incorporated in the UK on November 30th, 2021. If you want to take a look, here's a copy of their incorporation certificate in the UK. So it has the office that they're registered at, has the status of the company, and it has what they do. So one of the things I did is I double checked the address, and it's a freehold house, terraced house in London. Doesn't really look too much like a business headquarters, but what do I know? So definitely looks like a residential house here. When I looked up the leadership, I could find nothing. You know, I looked at each one of these people online, especially this guy at the top, this Nicholas Franklin. All I could find out about Nicholas Franklin is some reference from 1942. So I'm not sure if that's the right person or not, but I looked up all three people and could find no digital footprint. So these could be a fake actor leadership team. So want to be careful there. On November 22nd, 2021, the domain itself, axas.io, was privately registered. So at this point, it looks a little opaque if you ask me. So what does Axas.io offer us? Axas purports to have a variety of business opportunities. But where they are? I don't know. Could not find much external evidence here on what exactly they do. You would think that they would have some footprint or watermark somewhere, and not much evidence on the leadership team. A bit scary so far. Well, at any rate, you can affiliate with Axas Group Limited as a member and market their affiliate membership, plus choose to invest in the company on the promise of a guaranteed return. So, how do you make money with Axas? Well, Axas has a duo of ways to earn here, and they are easy to understand. So, method number one is investing into one of their investment plans and receive the promised return. Method number two is recruiting brand new affiliates to the company, and these affiliates would need to in turn invest, and you'd earn a commission on what they do. So what kind of investment plans does Axas have? Well, actually it has 4 investment plans from which to choose. Each has a different rate of return. So plan number 1, you can invest anywhere from $30,000 to $999 and supposedly receive 1.5% daily for 15 days, and then the deposit is returned. Plan number 2, investing $1,000 to $1,499 and receive 2% daily for 20 calendar days, with your deposits returned at plan end. Number 3, investing from $1,500 to $2,499 and receiving a whopping 150% following 6 days, with the deposit returned after plan end. And finally, number 4, the big daddy of them all, investing from $2,500 to $10,000 and receiving 300% following 3 days, with deposit returns invested in plan end. Wow, isn't that interesting? So one of the things I did is I tried their plan calculator and utilized plan 4, and by maxing it, by putting in $10,000, it returned a $30,000 profit. Nice thing here is you can use a variety of cryptos to get started. We have Bitcoin, we have Doji, we have ERC20 tokens, we have Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, Stellar, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, so lots of varieties there. Axas Group Limited compensation plan. Well, Axas uses a unilevel compensation plan to pay out. They maximize their unilevel at 3 levels. So as I said, the company maximizes their unilevel to 3 levels. You also get paid a percentage on your downline's investments. At level 1, you receive 5% of personally sponsored affiliates. Level 2, 2%. Level 3, 1%. So what's the cost to join? Axas review. Well, in order to become an affiliate, guess what? It's without cost. But if you participate in the investment opportunity, you need to drop anywhere from $30 to a whopping $10,000 in cryptocurrency. What are other Axas Group Limited reviews saying? The majority of the Axas reviews out there are 100% biased. Guess what? Because they are affiliates marketing this opportunity. The rub here, to use a Shakespearean term, is that their job is to recruit you into this opportunity, whether it's legit or a scam. My review reveals their leadership is probably fake, and there is no external evidence of outside return. Wow, independent reviews always trump biased ones. So, obviously, I have no agenda here to engage you into joining Axas Group. So, what's my final verdict? Should you join? Well, let's observe the facts. First, we have no idea who runs this thing. There seems to be no digital footprint on any of that leadership that you saw pictures of earlier. Second, they claim returns but are not registered with the regulatory authority FCA to offer securities. FCA is a lot like the British version of the SEC. Third, should they achieve those returns, they would not need an affiliate program or the minuscule $30 investment. They would but need a small group of investors who could become incredibly wealthy in just a few short years. If you observe closely, you will note that new investors are paying off existing members, making this yep, I'm afraid so. I think this is a Ponzi scheme. So once recruitment slows down, the company will pull the rug and you'll be left holding the bag with no regulator to help you. This company just doesn't really seem to exist in terms of leadership. So where are you going to go to get your money if you lose it? Be careful here. So I don't make a recommendation on this thing. I would just tell you to run from this Ponzi scheme. But what is my number 1 recommendation? If you landed on this page, you actually want to know how to make money online, right? When it comes to crypto, one thing you need is cash flow, so you can invest in more legit cryptocurrencies, and getting another job isn't always the best way to do it. So certainly I don't always advocate you investing straight out in cryptocurrencies. Always do your research before you put money into something like this. So if you want to learn how you can increase your cash flow without trading your time for money, go to my blog site and partner with me here so I can give you more information on how to build an online business. So once you learn the skill set and the mindset, the sky is the limit when it comes to cash flow. From there, you can invest in appreciating assets and build long-term wealth. So remember to follow me on social media because I am actually real and want to serve you. I'm not a ghost in the machine. I hope you enjoyed my Axas Group Limited review. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. You can follow me on Gab, Facebook. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Or you can follow me on Twitter. I'm on all those sites. So if you want to get links to some of those, certainly look down in the description field. You can do that. Again, if you want to partner with me, click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. So this link is in myfinancialfair.com where you can read my blog. Here are a couple additional resources of things that I do and have read and have reviewed. Partner with Anthony. If you need traffic, certainly reviewed the Shackley Company. It's been around for a long time. Certainly several reviews on Hyperfund. And The Millionaire Shortcut by Jeff Lerner. It is a great ebook if you want to get started in the online world. Well, thank you so much for listening to my review. So please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can receive future videos. Thanks so much for listening. Talk to you next time.